Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the new stamp set, Kindest Expressions. We're going to be using the Sending Sunshine and Rainbows. We're also going to be working with the Just Wanted to Say dies. It's a double pack of dies. It's words. So we have happy birthday, celebrate, feel better soon, and you are too kind. Then an extra like stem and flower, hearts, stars, a bow, and a little gift box. Okay. So, but before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our brand new June paper pumpkin kit, Welcome In, and it's going to coordinate with the Countryside Inn suite of products. It also has an add-on with some dies. So you get 3 dies for $6, but this kit is going to make 9 cards and comes with a Night of Navy stamping spot, okay? And you have until June 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. So there is a link in the description box below if you would like to do that. Next up, we have our May host code. This is the host code for May 2023 for Honeybee Stampin' Hive. When you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax, you will receive a pack of the opaque ovals for free from me. Okay, also, if you place an order of $75 or more and you use this host code, I'm going to send you a sample pack of the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper. Okay, so $60 will get you the opaque ovals. $75 will get you the opaque ovals as well as the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper sampler pack. Okay, and lastly, we have our mystery boxes. Yay! I am still having my moving sale, so everything must go. Just $40 for the medium flat rate priority USPS boxes. I filled it with around about $200 in new, used, and retired Stampin' Up product. And yeah, that includes shipping. All sales are final, and I can only ship in the US. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on our project because we have a lot to do. So let me get my silicone mat first of all. That's what we're gonna need. We're gonna start off by doing some die cutting. And I am not sure which colorway I want to make this. So I can either die cut a background for the words in black or white. And I'm thinking I want the background to be black. So we're going to do the background in black. So let's put that on here and just die cut that out. Okay, so that is the background for our words. And then I have some white here with, I'm going to adhere some adhesive strip to it. Adhesive sheets, not strips. Our adhesive sheets come in 12 by 6. And you just peel it and you make it a sticker. So now I will flip it over and put my die cut, making sure that I put my die cut on the side with the adhesive strips. Adhesive sheet. I don't know why I keep saying strips. Okay. And we're just going to put that on there and run this through. Now, if some of it doesn't get the adhesive sheet on the back, that's fine because this is a one, it holds all together. I do believe. I haven't used these yet. I probably should have ran it through twice, maybe. Oh no, it's coming out. So yeah, if this little tail part of the Y didn't get any sticky on it, that's fine. Okay, so that is looking good. Okay, so let's move our dies to the side. Get our background pieces out of the way. And I need my take your pick tool to get these little bits out. Okay, so now we have all of that all taken out, and I love the way the letter I has the dot attached to it. So we're just going to peel the backing off of this. If I can get it started. There we go. I'm going to peel the backing off of this. Just line up our letters on the backing here. And the adhesive sheets, they stick. It's a permanent stick, but when you first start putting it down, it does give you a little wiggle room. You have a little bit of time to pull it back up and reposition it. Not much, but you do have a little time to do that. Let me start here maybe. Okay, so do the same thing with the happy. Now we have our words done. That's part of it. Next we have a piece of 3.5 by 4 3/4 basic white, and we're going to do some stamping using the Berry Burst ink. This is a big stamp, sending sunshine and rainbows. I probably should have used my markers and colored each thing in different colors. That would have been cute. I didn't think about it though. There we go. That's nice. Let's close this ink before we make a mess with something. Okay. And so we're going to sit this aside and let it dry a bit. We have a card base of basic black. It's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Let's see. Let's get our bone folder. Make sure this thing holds down flat. We're going to get our silicone mat here because we're going to be doing some gluing across the entire front of the card. So I have 10 strips of cardstock here, and we are using the entire Brights family or collection, they're called now, of cardstock. So we have Poppy Parade, Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, Azure Afternoon, and Berry Burst. So we're going to start putting these on with some Tombow liquid glue. I should have a tape runner. Let me see. Yeah, let's use our Stampin' Seal instead of this because I think this would be better for us. I don't use this a lot, but I'm thinking this would be a better option. So I'm going to start here at the bottom with the Daffodil Delight. I shouldn't have put so much on there. Or like how far I put it because I knew I wasn't going that far. Next, we're going to do Berry Burst. I hope I'm staying in frame with this. This is why I don't use this one. The Seal Plus works better for me. And maybe I don't know what I'm doing with it because I don't ever use it. So let's put this. I'm going to try to... I'm going to try to get this evenly spaced. That's too close. I'm not going to press it down too hard because I'm not sure if I need to pull it back up. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is Poppy Parade. Each time I'm going to need more and more adhesive on here because the strips are going to get longer. Okay, after Poppy Parade is Lemon Lime Twist. Oy. I pushed that one down and I didn't mean to. Then Granny Apple Green. I'm hoping that I can... I did a dry run fit and they all fit on here, but I can't remember how I was spacing them. So after Granny Apple Green is the Coastal Cabana. Coastal Cabana. Come on. Oh, I see what I'm doing. I'm pressing too hard when I'm doing the tape runner. And that is why. It's not going. So when I do a light touch, look at that. It just glides right on there. So it's user error. Because with our old snail, we had to press pretty hard. What is that? Azure Afternoon. Then we're going to do pumpkin pie. Oop. Pumpkin pie. Right there. Okay, then what is it? Flirty Flamingo. I wrote it down, the colors. I was going to do it in the order that it is listed in the catalog. When you look at the colors in the color family, the color collections. I'm not going to get used to saying it like that. But I like this order better. I don't know rainbow order. I can't even remember the acronym that you use to remember which colors go first. Okay. And this is the last one. I did pretty good with my spacing. So now I am happy with this spacing, so I will press down. Pick up our card, get our scissors, and trim all this off. Now, if you want to, you can trim using your paper trimmer. If you feel like, you know, you'll get a better cut. But I'm just going to use these scissors here. Okay, so that is the front of our card. Isn't that cute? Oh, and I didn't want to get rid of these strips. Wait, I want 3 of these. I want the Daffodil Delight, the Berry Burst, and the Poppy Parade. I need those. So let's get all this mess out of the way. Trash. Let me cut this adhesive off. So I don't want, I need my paper trimmer. And I don't want this getting sticky in my paper trimmer. Okay. Let's do this. I want to cut these in half. So these are 1/2 inch. Did I tell you these were 1/2 inch? We're going to cut them at 1/4 inch now. Because I want to put some of this on the inside of our card. Okay, just like that. Where did we put our inside? Right here. Let's get our mat again. And we're going to do the same. I'm going to start with the Daffodil Delight. Right there in the corner. Oh, that's kind of... I don't think I cut this one correctly. But that's okay. It's just a little decoration. The Berry Burst. Is this long enough? Just barely. Ooh. It's just barely long enough. And we're going to put this one right there. And we're finished with all of this. Let's trim this up. Now we can glue this to the inside of our card. This is going in the inside. Let me get my glue here. I think this is super cute. I probably should have stamped in another color since I put that Berry Burst on the cardstock, but I didn't think about that, but it's still cute. So now what we're gonna do is get some Stampin' Dimensionals. I don't know if I should use the minis. Yes, we're gonna use the mini black ones since this is black. Let's get our, take your pick tool and get some of these dimensionals on here. Whoop. Okay, so now we have the backings off of that, and we're just gonna put this right in the middle of our card. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm so happy I decided to use the white on the top because I was gonna do it in the reverse. Okay, I went ahead and die cut ahead of time some of the stars in basic white. And I was just gonna see how it looked on here, and I think it looks awesome. So I'm gonna glue those down flat. And I did cut out one of the presents with a bow, but I'm not sure if I want to use that. I'm not sure, but I do know I want to use these stars. So let's put some a little bit of glue, just a dab behind each star, a little dab of do ya. And we're gonna put, let's see, put this one right here, like that. And we'll have it going like this. And I don't think I'm gonna use that gift, so I'll save that for another time. Now all we need to do is put our bling on. So let's clear up some of this stuff from the desk. Okay, so for the bling, I have the Glossy Dots assortment, and it comes with Gorgeous Grape, Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, and Pool Party. And we're gonna put, I think I wanna put some of these little ones in the big stars. So let's put a Pool Party. That'd be like for the Coastal Cabana. Of course, a Daffodil Delight right here. How about a Melon Mambo right there? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Should we put a Gorgeous Grape one for the eye, the dot on the eye? Oh, come on, get on the tip. There we go. Let's see how that looks. No, I don't like it. It's too dark. But I think that's cute, right? What do you guys think? Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. Rainbows and sunshine coming your way from Honeybee Stampin' Hive. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.